Hello students, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop. Please keep going and you will undoubtedly achieve what you are setting for. In this class of ours today we are going to study what are alloys, why are they made, and also some examples of alloys. So right at outset let me explain it to you what is an alloy. Alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or some metals and non-metals in small quantity. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or some metals and a non-metal. And non-metals are usually taken in small quantity. So that is the definition. And why at all should we make an alloy? So right at outset, let us take the first point. We make alloys to make them stronger. Take the case of aluminium. Aluminium is very light, and if you want to make an aircraft body from aluminium, it is very suitable because it is light, but it is highly unsuitable because it is not strong. So we make an alloy so that we can increase the strength. So one is increasing the strength. Increasing the strength. Number two, increasing the hardness. Number three, decreasing or rather increasing corrosion resistivity. Corrosion resistivity. Number four, to lower melting point, to lower electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity, this is 5, and number 6 is to modify the reactivity. Sodium is highly reactive. If you expose it to the atmosphere, as soon as you expose it, it will catch fire and start burning. So if we make sodium amalgam, that is far less reactive than sodium and can be kept like that. And also the seventh one is to produce casting properties. There is an alloy called type metal. It is mixture of lead, tin and antimony. Lead, tin and antimony, mixture of this is an alloy called type metal, and this is used for making characters for printing. So these were the 7 different reasons why we make an alloy, and a few of them we will just try to relate right in this class. See, aluminium is a very light metal, most suitable for making any airborne object like satellite and aircraft, but it is highly unsuitable for making such airborne you can say devices because it is not having any strength. So we make duralumin. It contains manganese, it contains magnesium, manganese, and it contains copper and aluminum. And it is called an alloy of aluminum because aluminum is in larger quantity. And this duralumin is made of these 4: magnesium, manganese, copper and aluminum. And aluminum was very light. Now when you make duralumin, it also gets the strength. So now it becomes suitable for making aircraft body parts, satellite parts, and also kitchenware like pressure cookers. Another alloy is magnesium. This was duralumin. This is also an alloy of aluminium, and it is with magnesium. Aluminum and magnesium. Aluminum is again, I say, light but not hard. Now this time by making it magnesium and alloy of aluminum with magnesium, we make it harder also. And this magnesium is used for making beam balance and light instruments. And if you make, say, steel, so 0.1 to 1.5% of carbon plus iron. With this we make steel, and steel is let me tell you, stronger, and it is harder, and also it is corrosion resistant. And if you want to make stainless steel, please do remember steel and stainless steel are different. Steel is with the carbon and iron, whereas stainless steel, an alloy stainless steel, when we make, We use nickel, chromium and iron. All the three are metal, and stainless steel is stronger, harder, and this is corrosion proof. This is corrosion resistant, this is corrosion proof. This will get corroded on a very long exposure to the conditions where the corrosion can form, but this never gets corroded. So this was all about, we have seen three properties, rest of them we will see in the next.